Hi, I'm Steph Evans from Evotech, partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites, this time looking at Nastran abstraction in Apex.
Okay, so Apex supports the concept of the Nastran abstraction. You can see here it's importing a deck into Apex and it respects those abstraction cards. The abstraction cards effectively allow Nastran keyword entities to be grouped so that they're recognized when they come into and out of Apex. So if we look at a particular case, an abstracted case here, so we might have a fastener which in a Nastran deck would be built up of maybe a C-beam or a C-bush and an RBE. In the deck we've also got these abstraction cards which allow those entities to be grouped and remembered effectively between the Nastran import and exports, so that Apex can fully respect both the Nastran definition and also its own internal abstracted definition.
I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.